Good morning, 4th grade. We are ready for language lesson 145 today. To start off, let's review our interjections. First of all, what is an interjection? See if I can say that word today. No, I think it was conjunction I was struggling with the other day. What is an interjection? It's a word that shows sudden or strong feeling. Remember, we can have mild interjections, or we can have, I don't know why I can't say that word right now, or we can have strong interjections. Now, sometimes our mild interjections have a comma after them, and our strong interjections have an exclamation mark after them. Excuse me as I stumble over that word. Okay, so some examples of sentences with interjections would be, yippee, I made an A on my paper. Whoops, I dropped the bell. My, that's an old book. Okay, so my, ha, whew, yippee, things like that are interjections. Okay, for a little practice in today's lesson, we're just going to do a dictionary drill. So you need a dictionary. Go get a dictionary if you don't have one with you right now. I'll give you just a little bit of time. Now what we're going to do for this morning is I have 6 words on the board that we're going to look for in the dictionary, and you have a certain amount of time to find each word, okay? So the first word, you have 1 minute. This is just for fun and also for practice. So you are going to try to find apple in 1 minute, okay? If you can't find it that fast, it's okay. Just close the dictionary again after the minute is up, and we'll move on to the next word, okay? If you find 1 or 2, good job. If you find all of them, great job. If you don't even find any, at least you practiced, okay? So I'm going to set the timer and give you the amount of time it says and tell you when it's up, and then we'll move on to the next word, okay? Just for practice and for fun. So if you can't find the word, it's okay, all right? So get your dictionary ready. Close your dictionary. Now I have a timer here, and it is set for 1 minute. Now, every word is going to go down in time. So you have a minute to find apple, you're gonna have 50 seconds to find peanut, 40 seconds to find crazy, 30 seconds to find 4, 20 seconds to find cheese, and 10 seconds to find trace, just to make it harder and more challenging for yourself, okay? So we'll just see what we can do with it. And it's okay if you can't find some of them. It's totally fine. Alright, so close your dictionary. Ready? We're going to start with apple. As soon as I say go, look for apple. You have 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, go. You have 10 seconds left. And stop. Okay, if you found it, great job. If you didn't, that's okay. It is going to get harder from here, but at least it's practice, even if you don't find the word. So close your dictionary, and you have 50 seconds to look for peanut. 50 seconds. Ready. As soon as I say go, you can open your dictionary. 1, 2, 3, go. You have 10 seconds left. And stop. Okay, you have 40 seconds to find crazy. Close your dictionary. 40 seconds to find crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Pretty good.
10 seconds left. And stop. Okay, you have 30 seconds to find 4. 30 seconds to find 4. Close your dictionary. And this is a lot quicker, but just do the best you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, did you? Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah.
10 seconds left. And stop. Okay. Hopefully you were able to find at least one, but just do the best you can, and that's what counts, alright? So we have cheese next, and we have 20 seconds. Now these last two are, of course, going to be the hardest, because you have the least time. So 20 seconds, close your dictionary. Just do the best you can. Ready, set, go. Ten seconds left. And stop. Okay, our last and hardest word, trace. You have 10 seconds to find trace. Do you think you can find it in 10 seconds? It's gonna be challenging, but just do the best you can. Close your dictionary. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 5 seconds left. And stop. That one was really hard. Alright. Good work. I hope that worked okay. That is all we're doing for class today. Your homework in today's lesson is to do Think B. Okay, on page 223, do Think B and Think C. You're going to need to be looking for these words in the dictionary and doing whatever it says here. If you need help, ask someone around you or ask me on the phone. On page 224, let's just go over what it talks about at the top of the page there. Now, a lot of words that end in S, ES, ED, ING, ER, and EST, they are not entry words in your dictionary. You're going to have to look up the root word to find them. For example, if you look for horses with an S on the end, just take the ending off and look for horse, okay? So usually just look at the root word and find that word in the dictionary. If you're looking for cockiest, you would have to just look for cocky, okay? And then if you look up the root word, it will show you more forms of the word under the root word, okay? So if you do look up cocky, it will probably say cockiest as another form of the word. And in Think D, here on page 224, you need to write words for and from those root words. So you're going to look up the root word and write more words for the root word, like for cocky, cockiest, cockier, different forms of the word, okay? You're only doing Think D on page 224. And continue to read your book for your book report. One more section for your homework is turn all the way to page 227. 227. And remember A is your homework. Look at the box at the top of the page, read that, and then do remember A as part of your homework. Let me know if you have any questions about your homework or anything on your lesson today. Work carefully, do your best, remember to write neatly, make sure you get all of your homework done, and then call in to get it checked, okay? Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.